Wilson Engineering Services. Our business is doing renewable energy projects and energy conservation projects and environmental permitting projects. We've got projects in 5 states that we're working on, and one of them is in Meadville, and it's a biomass boiler project. It's in the final design stages. It went out to bid, came in over bid, and now we're working with the designers to value engineer and take some cost out of the project while still delivering the benefits. Basically, it's a combined heat and power project, which means that we're going to produce electricity, capture that heat, and deliver hot water heat to 3 buildings, the Meadville High School and Middle School, the Crawford County Career and Technical Center, and the Meadville Area Recreation Complex. Initially, the project will use wood chips that are grown locally and either a byproduct of lumber processing or lumber mills where the cut-off ends or the slabs that cannot be used for lumber products are chipped and used as wood fuel. And we've done a couple of other projects that are anaerobic digestion, and the Bortnick Farms project is mainly that most of the work was done by Don Bortnick. We helped support him, helped do some calculations, and the project is taking dairy manure from about 1,000 cows at his farm. It's a mixed digester. There are 2 in-ground tanks, 600,000 gallon tanks, where manure is spiked, I guess is the right term, with some waste food products. Right now he's making about 400 kilowatts an hour of electricity. About 85% of that is then fed back into the grid for sale through his local utility or co-op, Northwest Rural Electric Co-op. And then the effluent that comes out of that tank is stored in his ponds on the farm and then land applied for fertilizer.
My name is Rob Smith. I'm president of Accu-Tech Precision Machine. Accu-Tech Precision Machine is basically an aerospace parts manufacturing company. More and more of the products that we're working with our customers usually have to do with energy savings. All the new GE engines are all 15 to 20% more energy efficient than the previous engines, and there's a lot of push to get that even more efficient. And now we just had a meeting this week. We'll be looking at a whole series and family of parts for what's known as the LEAP-X, which is for a new turbofan jet engine, which will be 15 to 20% more fuel efficient. We are always looking at ways to reduce our energy usage. All of our lighting out in the shop has been changed. We went over to much more energy efficient lighting, much that produced a lot less heat, which then in turn reduced our air conditioning requirements. We changed all that over the last 2 years. We've changed over the type of motors and things that we're using on a lot of our equipment that allow us to, again, reduce our energy cost. We recognize that our cost of electricity is going to go up and up and up. So therefore, anything we can do to save energy usage, we will do so. And that will become even more acute, we think, over the next few years. We make an awful lot of metal chips when we cut metal. Interestingly enough, 10% of our net profit is the money that we earn from selling our chips back to metal recyclers. So we recycle everything. All of our coolant is recycled, all of our water is recycled. We do reverse osmosis on our coolant to allow us to continue to use the water again and again and again. And all of that, it's really simple. We're not doing it to be green, we're doing it because it saves money. And being green will save you a lot of money. You sit down and you look at the economics and you say, the more I conserve, the less I use, the more money I save, the more money I make. It's a no-brainer. You know, one of the big ones, a huge energy savings was when we used our 80,000 square feet in the Avtex building. That's an old brownfield plant that has now been recycled. The entire building is being recycled into a new, modern, vibrant production facility. Green innovation should be like breathing. You know, that everything you do, everything you look at, you should be looking at it from that standpoint.